Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Patrix. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see what all different kind of operator we can use in Python. So let's get started. So as you can see in this Python window, I have written some different kind of operator that we are going to use on our Python programming. So first let's start with this arithmetic operator. Let's see what is this arithmetic operator. For that I have declared here two variables. Suppose I am printing that I want a plus b. That means I'm telling to add a plus b. So it will provide us the output as level. So when we add these two variable, it will give us the output as level. So when you are doing certain kind of task, that means plus, and for example I am saying that print a into b, that means I am multiplying this. Okay, so it will provide as the 30. And let's do some minus, that means subtraction a minus b. So it's my bad. Suppose a minus b. When I run it, you can see the outputs here. So this type of calculation what I are doing, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division. So whenever you use these symbols, that means if for adding two numbers in mathematics you use plus symbol, and for multiplication you use this cross, and for minus you use this dash symbol, and for division you use this inward slash symbol. So when you use this kind of symbols, or we tell it as operators, so whenever you use these type of operators, okay, so that is known as a arithmetic operators. Okay, I hope you understand what is arithmetic operator. So second operator that we are going to see, that is assignment operator. For example, let's see, when I am declaring a variable, that means suppose name. Okay, if I want to store some value or I want to assign some value, for that I use here this equal to symbol which stands for assignment. That means I am assigning, that means I am storing some value into the name variable. For suppose I am storing my name, suppose Nikesh. So this is how I store this Nikesh data into this name variable. For that I used here this equal to symbol. So this stand for assignment operator. So whenever you create a variable and you want to store some value, that means you want to assign some value, for that you use this equal to symbol. So this is known as the assignment operator. Okay, so if let's see third operator, that is comparison operator. So let's see what is this comparison operator. Suppose, so before that let's comment it. Okay, for that I use this control inward slash, and let's see what I am going to do. Suppose I am doing comparison, that print A is greater than B. So I'm telling here, so in this we will get the output in true or false. So we are doing a comparison. If this condition satisfied, that means I'm telling that A is greater than B. In variable A, it is storing 5, and the variable b, it is storing 6. So I'm doing a comparison. I am telling that 5 is greater than 6. Okay, so in the output it will provide us false because this is not a true condition. So in the output it has provided us false. So when you if we telling that a is less than b, so it will provide us true, which is a true condition. Okay, so b is 5 is less than 6, so which is a true condition. So the output it provide us true, and we can compare it. We can say that a is equal to b. So let's use this print statement, and for comparing, for telling that a is equal to b, so when we use the single equal to, and when we telling that a is equal to b, this when we use the single equal to symbol, that means it comes under the assignment operator. For comparison, if you are telling that a is equal to b, for that we want to use your two equal to symbol. So when you do such kind of thing, so it comes under the comparison operator. So in the output it will provide us false because a is storing 5 and b is storing 6. We are telling that a is equal to b. That means if I do here 5, then it will be true. So you can see here. So when you do this kind of things, then this is comes under the comparison operator. Or else if you want to tell that, suppose I'm storing in b variable 8, you want to tell that a is not equal to b. Okay, so how you can do that? For that we are going to use print, and we are using this a variable, and we are comparing with b. Okay, we want to tell that A is not equal to B. For that, we use this exclamation mark and we use the single equal to. This stands for not equal to. So I will return here not equal to. So let's comment it. So I commented here. So let's. So when I run this, you can see the output that, oh, it's my bad. I have given you a space. I do not wanted to give you a space. So now you can see that in the output it has got true. So which is a true condition. We are telling that A is not equal to B. So when you do this kind of things or this kind of operations, this comes under a comparison operator. So here we have compared these three operator. Let's move on to the fourth operator, that is logical operator. Okay, let's see what is logical operator. In your 12th grade, you have studied in mathematical logics chapter in your maths. Okay, so let's see how that plays a role here. So before that, let's comment these things. So let's comment it. Let's use this control inward slash. So let's create a true variable. Suppose a equals to 5 and some. So I am going to not using a number. I am simply going to use your true. So T first letter will be capital and B second letter will be, I'm showing a value called false. So this is actually a keyword in Python, so which have been got highlighted here, and I store this value into a variable. So in your 12th class, you have studied a chapter called mathematical logic. In that you have studied this and, or, okay, negation, this kind of things. So that we are going to use in this uh, logical operator. So let's see. So we are going to tell that A and B. Okay, so it's my bad, A and B. When I do such kind of things, okay, let's see what actually occur in this AND condition. For AND, the both the statements should be true. Okay, for that, this first statement also should be true, and second statement also should be true. Then only it will provide the output as true. Okay, when I run this, our output will be false because here both the statement is not true. Okay, one is true and the another is false. So in the output it has shown us false. If I use here or condition, so let's print or condition A or B. When I use this, okay, then it will give us the output as true because in or, if we are comparing these two condition indirectly, we are telling that A or B. Any one condition if true, then in the output it will provide us the true. Okay, so you can see here it has provided the output as true. If I use this not, okay, not means negation. If the value, if the output is true, then it will be converted into its opposite, that is false. If the output is false, then it will convert it into true. So let's see. So suppose I am printing here A and B, so which will actually provide as the output as false. Okay, this stands for AND condition. So I will write it here. This for OR condition, and this is for NOT condition. NOT actually consists convert a true value into a false value. Okay, so I have written and commented here. This first condition is for AND, second is for NOT, and third is for NOT condition. For that, I am going to use your NOT keyword, and I am going to use here this bracket. So when I use this, so you can see that it output will be also false here. And when I use this NOT condition, it will convert this output as a true condition because You can see here when we are doing and comparison, in the and condition, the both the statements should be true. Then only the output it will print as true. If in our condition any one of the conditions becomes true, then it will print the output as true. In not condition, what is does, if the output is true, then it will convert it into false, and if the output is false, then it will convert the output into true. So this is what not does. If you do not understand this, I will recommend you to watch some basics video of class 12th mathematical logics. They are related to and or not. In that you can see the truth table. If you understand the truth table, you can understand this concept very easily. So this is what a logical operator stands for. Now we are going to see what is this membership operator stands for. So let's see what is membership operator. So before that, let's comment it and let's see what is this membership operator stands for. So for that, I'm going to create a variable called list, that is li. I've defined a variable li, and it's here I'm going to create a list, and in that I'm going to declare some value. Okay, I have declared some value, and let's see. Okay, so let's see what this membership operator does. Membership operator is used to check whether the element are present or not. For that, we are going to use two keyword, that is in keyword and second is not in keyword. So let's see what these two keywords stand for. In keyword is used to check whether the element is present in this list or not. Not in keyword will we are saying that this element is not present in the this list. Okay, let's do it practically. So for that I am going to use print, and we are going to say that 2 is present in that li variable. When I do such kind of things, so you can see that 2 is present in this list variable. Li stand for this variable called list. Okay. Okay, so when I do this, I am telling that 2 is 2 in, that means 2 is present in this list. So it output it provide us true. Okay, which is actually true. 2 is present in this list. When I give which is number is not present in this list variable, so it will provide the output as false. Okay, I hope you understand what this int stand for. Suppose I am telling that 3 is not in li, so it will provide us the output as false because 3 is present in this list variable, but we are telling the condition that 3 is not present in the list variable, then it will provide the output as false. Okay, if you are telling a right number which is not present, actually not present in the list, then it will provide the output as true. That means 0 is not present here. So we are giving a right number and we are doing a right comparison here, that 0 is not present in the list. So we pass the right condition here, then it will provide the output as true. So you can see here, I hope you understand this what this membership operator stands for. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.